Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply download and install Sam's Club onto your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store and then search for Sam's Club, just like I'm going to do it. And once you've done that, simply tap on this application, which is the pickup and delivery application, obviously. Click on the get icon, and if you have verification, go ahead and do that as well. And once you've done that, it's going to take maximum 10 to 15 seconds to download and install onto your device. So let's just wait for that. And now when that is done, simply go ahead and tap on this open button right over here and you're in. You can simply go ahead and sign up or sign in into your account right from here. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.